To draw a six-sided shape, either a hexagon or a six-pointed star, you begin by creating a square and then finding the center of the square by measuring between the diagonal corners. Then place the compass point at the center and scribe a line all the way around. With the compass still set for the distance between the center and the outside edge of the circle, start by, well, just make a mark anywhere on the circle, doesn't matter where. Put your point of your compass on that mark and pencil a line intersecting the circle at this stage. Then move the point of the compass there and mark a third one. And keep continuing on around the circle. And it should come out with the point of the compass right back where you started from. Now, to draw a six-pointed star, you would take lines from here to the diagonal points here and do that all the way around 6 times. Or if you want a hexagon, draw straight lines between the marks intersecting the circle here, 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 and there. In this case, we'll try drawing the six-pointed star. Now you can see the shape of the star